topic is on cell cycle and cell division. NCERT book, cell cycle and cell division. I am covering the most important topics over here, okay, from NCERT books. You may rely on this. So cell cycle is actually, first we need to go there. Here you can see G2 and M phase. Total 1, 2, 3, 4 major phases are there in the cell cycle. And another phase is G0. I will cover that. Okay, so G1, S and G2 and M phase. So first of all G1, S and G2. So S is the synthetic phase. Synthetic means the DNA synthesis. So DNA replication occurs in this phase. So DNA get doubled. If we say that amount of DNA before S phase is 12 unit, then after S phase it will be 24 unit, double. Okay, so DNA synthesis occurs in S phase. And G1 phase, the normal metabolic process, metabolically active or metabolic process goes. Okay, so S is the synthetic phase. And another thing, G2. So G2 phase, in the G2 phase we must remember that proteins are synthesized. We must remember proteins are synthesized in G2 phase. So here see, S phase is synthesizing the DNA, and G2 is the protein synthesis, and G1 is nothing but only metabolically active. So 3 phases done, only remaining M phase. So M phase is the mitotic phase. Mitotic phase means the actual cell division occurs in this phase. So mitotic phase is further divided into prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase and cytokinesis. Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, these 4 are coming under the karyokinesis, means nucleus division of nucleus. Prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase, these 4, and remaining cytokinesis means the cell division. So finally the cell division done by these, means karyokinesis and then cytokinesis. So this is the cell cycle. And G0 is the phase when cell cycle stops, means cell division does not occur. Cell only metabolically active, like heart cell. Okay, so they are not dividing anymore, but they are metabolically active, means they are taking oxygen, they are doing respiration, they are releasing carbon dioxide, they are metabolically active, they are contracting. Okay, so for the pumping nature of heart. Okay, so these are metabolically active. So, and another term, interphase means the beside mitotic phase, means mitotic phase is the actual division phase. Remaining all other means G1, S and G2 phase are called interphase. Okay, so under interphase G1, S and G2 comes. Okay, we need to remember. Another thing, the total cell cycle timing is 24 hours. Total 24 hours taken for our cell to divide and grow. Okay, so for 24 hours, after 24 hours it gets double. For yeast it is 90 minutes. For yeast it is 90 minutes. Just remember these things. Okay, these points, these are enough. So 90 minutes for yeast. Okay, karyokinesis, cytokinesis I have discussed. G1 is named as gap 1. Okay, synthetic phase, synthesis is phase. Gap 2, G2. Okay, so this is done. G0 I have discussed. So okay, mitotic phase I will cover in the next class.